Now from marriage to babies, and there were nearly 26,000 babies born in August this year in Hong Kong. But a quarter of those new mums were not Hong Kong residents. Some hospitals say they are fully booked till February, with one private hospital saying that 70% of those bookings are from the mainland. Those numbers have prompted hospital authorities in Hong Kong to introduce new restrictions on mothers-to-be who are not permanent Hong Kong citizens.
Well, the new rules mean that both private and public hospitals in Hong Kong have doubled their fees for mainland mums who want to give birth in Hong Kong. Private hospitals now charge as much as $13,000 for each delivery. As well, full priority is now being given to mothers in Hong Kong, with some temporary restrictions being put in place. BON's Jackie Wen has been looking into online reaction to the new rules and joins us now from the newsroom. Jackie, what kind of comments are you finding from people online about this issue?
Well, many parents from the mainland believe that giving birth in Hong Kong not only guarantees world-class health care for their babies, but can also secure the right of abode in Hong Kong for their children who would otherwise not be entitled to this. They say this means their kids would have the right to free education, health care, and other benefits, and that if they had the money, they would travel to Hong Kong to give birth. But some Hong Kong mothers say there is an easy solution to this. Stop giving Hong Kong ID cards to the children of mainland parents just because they were born here. That's because local mothers believe local children should be given priority.
And Jackie, are there any other reasons why mothers-to-be are giving birth in Hong Kong?
Yes, someone say it's a way to get around the one-child policy. By traveling to Hong Kong, a mainland couple that doesn't have the right to have another child under current laws can do so without being penalized.
Well, Jackie, apart from the affected mothers and the mothers-to-be, are there any other parties making comments online about this?
Well, a spokesperson from the Hong Kong Family Rights Association spoke out against the authorities for stopping non-local mothers-to-be from booking maternity beds. They said that doing this undermines social harmony and highlights different treatment for local pregnant women and the mainland spouses of Hong Kong residents.
Fergus, important to point out that this isn't the first time that such restrictions have been put in place. Sure. with higher prices as well, but a doubling from around $6,500 to now about $13,000 is certainly significant. That, in addition to a temporary ban on mainland mothers actually applying to give birth in Hong Kong, I'm sure will certainly stem that flood of mainland mothers heading over to Hong Kong. Also interesting to note that this ban will probably last until December of this year. It's spanning around 5 or 6 months, so certainly it has been a problem in that region.
Yeah, and that the mothers actually sometimes got around it by simply not paying the fees when they left.